Hey there, football fans. Are you ready to learn about the beautiful game from one of the world's greatest players of all time? Today, I'm excited to talk about the book Why Soccer Matters by legendary Pele. He's not just a footballer, he's a global icon, and his insights into the sport are invaluable. Grab your popcorn and get ready for the fascinating journey through the world of football. Pele is widely regarded as the king of football, with numerous achievements throughout his career. He won 3 FIFA World Cups with Brazil and scored over 1,000 goals during his career. But did you know that he's also a passionate advocate for the sport and its positive impact on the society? In Why Soccer Matters, Pele takes us on a journey through the history and culture of football, offering insights into its global appeal and its impact on communities around the world. He shares his personal experiences playing the game, including his triumphs and challenges on and off the field. Throughout the book, Pele argues that soccer is more than just a game. It's a way of life that brings everybody to inspires them to achieve their best. He highlights the positive impacts of footballs on individuals, communities, and nations as he discusses the potential for the sport to bring about positive social change. But this book isn't just a book for football fans. It is for anyone who's interested in the power of sports to bring people together and create positive change in the world. I personally admire that he has kept his dad's advice on the field when he played soccer. That's treating opponents equally. So if you're a football fan or just someone who's interested in the power of sports to bring people together, Why Soccer Matters is the book you won't want to miss. With Pele as our guide, we'll explore the fascinating world of football, its history, its culture, and its impact on the society. We'll learn about the lessons Pele has learned both on and off the field, and we'll discover how the beautiful game can inspire us to achieve our best. In the end, Why Soccer Matters is more than just a book. It's a celebration of human spirit and the power of sports to bring us together, inspire us, and make the world a better place. So grab your copy today and join us on this incredible journey throughout the world of football. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching. Please support and subscribe my channel.